Hey, what's going on, guys? The Bomber1 here, and we are playing Bloxburg with my sister. Make sure you check out her channel, the Gaming Girl. Or you beware, this game is like Robux. 25 Robux. Also, I'm sorry about the blocked nose. I've had it recently, so. If this ends out to be like really bad voice chat stuff, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best to do it as good as I can. Right now we're just like doing some work as we're getting into this channel. This is my first video also, so I'm sorry if anything's really wrong.
So yeah, that's great.
Hey, guys, I'm sorry. I just had to stop recording a bit then. My sister was just doing her outro, and my sister, of course, has a big house, more money, because she gets more money. She gets like this card thing for Roblox, which I don't have. I don't know why, and she gets way more money than me.
Cause I'm a boss.
Are you actually?
Huh?
Are you actually?
What do you mean?
No,
I don't know. I just said that.
We can't.
Oh no, I know what that is. I'm not going to.
And I literally just drove to the other side of the map just to get a few $100. Like,
it's just
and it's
too much.
Very long drive, like, to start off.
I get money fast, as you see. I've got a lot of
Like
money.
for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, she's got like 1,000. I did do it for 10 minutes. I only got 500.
I've been doing it for 8 minutes and 43, like 8 minutes and nearly 9 minutes now, and I've already got $900. So yeah,
I did quite the exact same minutes and stuff, and she got way more than twice as
like
much.
10 seconds off.
She's like
time.
She's got like $2,000 and I got $296.
So yeah,
this is
basically adding
So if you get any Bloxburg and you see anything on Bloxburg that says like double like money pass, you should buy
increase earnings.
Yeah,
you get way much money more. Yeah, you get way much more money. I'm really glad I bought it. And for my opinion, I think that you should not buy the radio, because I think it's just a waste of money.
No, but it does give you something like entertainment.
Yeah, and we can't even do that because it would be copyright and it would be so annoying. You would have to pay all these bills, and yeah, that's not for me, and it gets too crowded, so I'll wait.
Of course, we're a bit too young to pay bills.
Yes. And I will be back when we have got some money.
Me too. As I was delivering a pizza, I sort of got myself stuck on the on
Ferris wheel.
The Ferris wheel somehow. I actually can't get down. Oh, there, finally, let me go. Oh, it's scary.
I'm gonna go back now.
Hey, you're back. Sorry, I just was checking out my video so far. Right, like, to be honest, this is my sister. Wait, what? Wait, this is my sister's house. Excuse me.
This.
Oh yeah, you also have to fix your pathway.
Yeah, I realized that. And on my channel, there won't be a video because it's having too much technical difficulties. So, Dan, turn that back on. So, when we basically figure it out and do it, we will have a video up on it, us mine, and Dan will be in it. My brother will be in it,
I probably won't video that, so.
but he won't video it, so it'll be on my channel. And yeah.
But I will try and
what-
notify you if I can get that right.
Yeah.
Into it.
Oh god, I need to go back down. I need my needs up. I'm coming in.
Sorry that I like stopped recording. I was just getting my energy and hygiene up a bit. So what shall we do now?
I need to get my needs up. Just inhale it.
Right, what shall we do for fun to get my fun up, right?
Do you want to get on the Ferris wheel? Or I'm just gonna watch TV?
Yeah, watch TV.
Wait. I need to do something.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. What?
I just keep doing.
You entered build mode. Wow.
No, I need to do something. I'm
That's
trying.
a bunch of boo boo.
Wait, what's this? Oh, I know. That is. I need to get electronic. I need
Why
to
do you
get
have to do that? Let me in.
a TV.
Mom. Damn it.
What?
Finally, stop snubbing.
I needed to get something. You're so mean.
Wait, why do your doors have to be so big?
Oh my god. Oh, because I made them like that and I wanted to.
Wait,
I need to go
where's your
upstairs.
clothes? Where you can change your clothes? I want to change to a kid.
Huh?
I want to change to a kid.
Do you have. Mine needs to go.
Damn you, man.
I don't really. That scared me like hell. You know, you don't have to go all the way to the TV now. Turn it down. Sit down, and change the channel.
Oh.
I'm coming downstairs. I'm about to change the channel until I come. I need to close that door. Am I out? Oh no, I'm stuck in the door.
Okay.
Wait, I'm trying to get him.
Why did you jump on me?
I'm trying to sit, let me alone.
Told you I'll change channel.
Go for some. So mean.
Fine, I'll just
Go for some. I'm watching it first person. This is so boring.
Yeah, I know
You're
that.
just doing this. I'm just going.
Alright, man.
Yes.
Right, this is just going to be a few minute video, and I've got to go to sleep now for tomorrow. And I hope also hit that like button and subscribe. I hope you all enjoy. But also just subscribe, like, and hit that bell for Megan from the
The gamer girl.
Gamer Girl. Bye.